What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tech JRD back again with another video, and today I just want to do a quick unboxing slash review, or I guess it's not a box, but unzipping of the. Now I don't know how to say this. I might butcher it, so if you know it, you can say it down in the comments. But I think it's the Xeneo, so we just gonna call it the Xeneo. This is a portable speaker that they got right now. You can get it on Amazon for like $45, and I just want to take a quick look and tell you if I think it's worth it or not. Now, first, I want to give a quick shout out to my guy at Easy Computer Solutions, Eric. I actually won this from his channel, so if you ain't subscribed to him, you might want to go do that. He's one of the coolest dudes on YouTube. Back to the video. So this is the Xeneo X21 portable speaker. Now it's a very good looking speaker, and it actually it looks like it's worth $50. Like I know there's a lot of competition around there. There's Sony ones, LG, you can go get at Best Buy, but this one has a couple extras that a lot of those don't have. So let's look at it real quick. So this is the packaging. It's wireless connection. You get a micro SD card, which I think most speakers don't have. FM radio, which is super nice. Got the aux jack. You got the digital signal processing. The true wireless stereo, which it sounds really good, and we'll get to that. Hands-free calling, which most got, and it's splash proof. So it doesn't have an IP waterproof rating, but splash proof, that's pretty good. So let's get this out of the pouch. Very nice attention to detail on the pouch here. Now I already unboxed it, but we're just looking at the packaging. So there's that. Let's unzip it. Zipper struggles. Now look at that. I love the look. I left it on. The red and black, and black and red are my favorite color, so this thing actually worked out perfectly. Now look at that, super nice. Comes with a little clip there. Let's take it out. So first of all, the feel, this thing feels great. Like I've tried a lot of portable speakers, but this one feels really nice. It reminds me of the JBL. I forgot which one it is, but it's the little cube like this one. Got the straps on it so you can tie it to something. So let's look at the port. You got your micro USB in there, also your memory card and your headphone jack. So I mean, that's really nice to have, and covered up with a little spot. The music, let me play you a little sample, but it has like the tiny little sub on both sides. So let's get you a play for the sound. 1 second. Trying to get it to stay. Play a little something.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
All right, I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm just gonna say I love this thing. Is one of the most clear sounding Bluetooth speakers I've ever heard. So this thing is amazing. I love the clarity. Now, if you're looking for music that's super bass rich, this is not going to hit as hard as you want it to. So I would look elsewhere if that's what you're looking for. But if you want just a good volume and clarity, this thing is a beast, and I would recommend it for $45. It's actually $50, but right now if you get it you get a $5 off coupon through Amazon. So I put the name and everything so you can find it easily. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a good